In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your privacy settings in Microsoft Edge to enhance your browsing experience. Let's get started with a simple and straightforward process that will help you take control of the information you share with Microsoft while using their browser. First, begin by opening your Microsoft Edge browser. This is the default web browser for many Windows users, known for its speed and integrated features. Take a moment to check that it's up to date to ensure you have the latest features and security improvements. Once you have Microsoft Edge open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the window. Here, you'll see an icon represented by three horizontal dots, often referred to as the More menu. Click on these three dots to reveal a drop-down menu that provides access to various options and settings. From this menu, find and select the Settings option. This will open up a new page dedicated to the configuration of your browser, offering a range of customizable features tailored to meet your specific needs. It's worth spending some time exploring these settings to familiarize yourself with the customization possibilities available to you. On the left side of the settings page, you will notice a list of categories. These categories help organize the various settings into easily navigable sections. Locate and click on Privacy, Search, and Services. This section focuses on how your data is handled and offers tools to enhance your security and privacy while online. Within this category, look for the option labeled Privacy. Clicking here will bring up various privacy-related settings that control how information about your browsing is managed. Options here will provide you with the ability to adjust how much data you share while interacting with websites. One important option to pay attention to is Send optional diagnostic data to improve Microsoft products. This setting typically provides Microsoft with additional data, which aids in the improvement of their products and services. If you wish to manage whether or not you share this type of data, you'll find a toggle button on the right-hand side of this option. Simply click the toggle to change its state, turning the sharing option on or off based on your personal preference. Make sure it is set in a way that aligns with your comfort level regarding data sharing. And that's it. You've now adjusted your privacy settings in Microsoft Edge, enabling you to browse with greater control over your personal data. Remember, privacy is an ongoing process, and it can be beneficial to review these settings periodically as either your preferences or the available options evolve. Thank you for watching, and happy browsing.